there's been a lot of price drops in the properties I'm seeing in Louisville. I don't know if you and other people are seeing that too, but it's nice to see.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Okay.
things are cooling a little bit. And when I see price drops, I think motivated seller. Because if they're not motivated, one, they're probably not selling right now. But if they're not motivated, they're definitely not dropping the price. They'll just say, you know, I talked to one guy whose quadplex was way overpriced in Abilene. And my agent came back and said, yeah, I agree. But the agent, the seller's agent said he can afford it. Like he said, you know, it's cash flowing right now. I've got 100% occupancy. And if someone wants to offer me $250,000, great, cool. Most sellers aren't like that. And so if they're lowering their sales price and they're dropping it, that means they want to get rid of it. They want to get it sold. And so anytime I see a sales price drop, I think motivated seller. And so if something dropped, say from 100 to 90, I might go in, and if the numbers made sense, I might go in and offer 85. And then at that point, they say, well, I could wait another month and maybe get 90, or I could just take 85 right now. You know, which one do I want? But yeah, I'm all about that.